Hello, I am Bhawna. I would say this decision towards MBA was a gradual one, wherein I developed the interest and skills during my undergraduate, got the exposure of it during my internship work, and then during my MSc, I did my research project single-handedly. Parallelly, I mentored two mentees as well. So this all kind of boosted my leadership skills and confidence and made me realize my potential in management. I did a pre-search over the internet and read all the reviews about the coachings available. Then my seniors and one of my friends who have done coaching from MBAGuru advised me to join here. Then I came to the center, talked to the people out there, got my queries solved, and finally after getting all the queries solved, I chose to go for CAT coaching in MBAGuru. Initially, I was very anxious as I come from a different background and I had a few months left for preparation. But once the classes began, I developed faith on myself. I learned the concepts and the faculty was very supporting and motivating. So it was a kind of mix because whenever the mock results were out and I used to feel anxious and worry about the result that day. But then the faculty motivated us to keep on practicing so we can finally perform on the result day, on the main day. So yeah, it was a mix, but then eventually the results answer all the doubts. I was very weak in quant section, honestly. I was worried that I won't be able to cope up with the regular classes because people come from good backgrounds or commerce background, and I was from science. Adaptive preparation was kind of helpful because I got to learn all the basics. Adaptive preparation helped me get the basics and then cope up with the regular classes with all the students so that I'm not lacking anywhere behind. So yeah, adaptive preparation helped me improve my quant skills. Well, I would say the adaptive preparation of MBAGuru is really helpful because students like me who are particularly weak in one or two sections can get the basics. Then we have this midnight advanced classes as well, and our faculty is very helpful. We can text them anytime during the day and night and they will reply us on time and clear all our doubts even besides the classes. And the extensive GDPI preparation that's done here. We get personalized coaching and personalized advice on how to tackle particular interview questions depending upon the student who has come for the advice. So these are the things that are really appreciable about MBAGuru. Well, the mock results are very disappointing. So whenever I used to score low, I felt like, no, I'm not made for it. I cannot do it. But then eventually I did it. I was really weak in quant, but then the Ashish sir told us how to tackle the questions, how to choose the areas where I am strong and classify them and then build upon those areas so that on the final day I'm able to score much better from the sections I'm good. The faculty here is very supportive. They clear us all the doubts and they keep on motivating us to just keep on practicing and hang in there.